Here is another why of break no more. Why sticking to your values? So the answer here is a bit like, but your values define your energetic signature, and this energetic signature is supposed to attract the right people around you. And I would say that it could still attract the wrong people around you from experience, but then I'm a bit of an exceptional case, so I could not really judge about that. But I know for certainty that if you embody your values, then you're going to be led to places where your values are more embodied because you're going to just search for it, right? You're going to try to find alignment. And therefore, by this logic, when you want to find alignment in your environment according to your values, then you are meeting people that are embodying those, that are more likely to embody those values as well. So the dynamic of embodying your values, it builds a type of temper, like it's like you are this and not this, like it creates discernment. You're not a maze of a personality, you're a personality that is shiny, you are loving, you are transparent. People, they know when they see you, they know that you are this and this because of and this because they know your values when they see you, because you're so used to embody your values and to articulate your values and to think about your values and to act according to your values. Then people, when they see you, they are not lost. They're like, oh, this is this and this is. When people have a strong discernment about you, we call this character, right? And we call this energy signature as well. So you're gonna be going towards places that are aligned with your energy signature, or you're gonna be around people like seeing really this energy signature, and therefore they're gonna come to you and gonna be like, "Hey, I have the same energy signature. I see this in you. Let's share something." Right? It goes faster than to sort the weed from the trash. And unless you want the people wants to challenge you, they are less likely to come to you when they see a strong sense of self to try and manipulate you. So yeah, at work it builds therefore a strong reputation for trustworthiness and character, and in life it attracts friends and partners who truly align with you because you go in the right place, like the place aligned with your blah. Much love.